Chur whānau. A little short one today. I'll show you a not ideal place to turn around, but I make it work. So basically I'm gonna leave my trailer right there. I have a pickup down here, and then I've got to go up the road and get another one. Both of these are truck only, and then I have to hook my trailer on once I come back through and go out that ways, and there's a trailer pickup down there. So I got my drone up, as you can see. It's staring at where I'm gonna turn around, so hopefully it looks alright. But yeah, he's up there. So basically what I do is pretty hard on the gear. Make sure you're empty if you're ever gonna try something stupid like this, but oh, trust me, there's tight places everywhere we turn around. A bit of tyre wear doesn't really matter to me. So basically I'm going to come up here and I nose off down the road, and see this little metal driveway here? Same thing as one of my earlier videos. You'll see on the drone now. I'm going to poke my dolly in there. Like so. And then I'm going to jackknife up. We're skidding at the moment. So as you can see on the drone, it's pretty tight. So it's literally as simple as that. It kind of helps that the road's a bit wet, so the old tyres don't rip up the bloody tar seal and whatnot. A little bit of tyre wear on the tyres that are scuffing, but yeah, other than that, like I've got a set of Kiwis on the back axle, and I've had them on probably since we first got this trailer like 3 years ago. So if you're gonna cry about a little bit of tyre wear that isn't even that bad, what's the point in even doing this job? You know? Like, bloody hell. So you know, that should do. It's a pretty well a dead end road, so no one really comes down here. So there you go. Nice little drone video. Chur.